Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Possible US response if France and India pursue government-to-government deal on fighter jets. The Indian Air Force plan to acquire 114 multi-role fighter jets, that is MRFA, for $20 billion has been hit by delays in issuing requests for proposals. However, there is a hope that the process will move forward soon. Air Marshal Narmadeshwar Tiwari, the Deputy Chief of the Air Force, recently said. Next, can configure C390 as FRA for Indian Air Force, says CEO of Embraer. According to a recent confirmation by Bosco da Costa Jr., President and CEO of Embraer Defense and Security, the C390, a medium role transporter aircraft manufactured by Embraer, can be easily converted into a flight refueling aircraft for the Indian Air Force if requested. The C390 can be equipped with an air-to-air refueling system installed under its wing pods, making it a suitable choice for the IAF's need. Next, Bengaluru-based startup explores hyperspectral imagery satellites for surveillance of hostile neighbors. Pixel, a startup based in Bengaluru, is venturing into the surveillance and reconnaissance sector with its cutting-edge hyperspectral imagery satellites. The company is eager to provide its advanced technology to the Indian defense sector. Next, OFK's power cartridge will extinguish the fire of fighter aircraft. Ordnance Factory Khamaria has successfully developed a power cartridge named PP3, which activates the fire-fighting system in Army helicopters and fighter aircraft such as MiG. The OFK has prepared a large number of these cartridges, and the supply to the Air Force will commence once the order is received. Next, India developing anti-drone technology to combat in Pakistan's use of drone for smuggling arms and drugs. According to Union Home Minister Amit Shah, India is testing technological solutions to tackle the increasing use of drones for smuggling drugs and weapons from Pakistan. In an interview with Hindustan Times, Shah acknowledged that drones are being used for smuggling but expressed hope that a solution will be put in place soon. Next, DRDO, that is Defense Research Body Scientist actually, of DRDO, working in DRDO, got arrested for providing secret information to Pakistan. A scientist working for the Defense Research and Development Organization here has been arrested by the Maharashtra Anti-Terrorism Squad for providing confidential information to a Pakistan agent, officials said on Thursday. Next, S. Jaishankar hosts reception for foreign ministers attending regional meet. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar on Thursday evening hosted a gala reception for the foreign ministers of Russia, China, Pakistan and other member nations of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, making the beginning of a two-day conclave of the grouping. The main deliberations of the SCO Council of Foreign Ministry will take place on Friday. Next, that is today. S. Jaishankar Chinese counterpart hold talks focus on solving border row. S. Jaishankar on Thursday conveyed to his Chinese counterpart Qin Gang the importance of resolving the eastern Ladakh border row and ensuring peace and tranquility along the frontier for development of bilateral ties. Next, foreign ministers of SCO nations to finalize on 15 decisions at Goa meet. Foreign ministers of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization member countries will finalize in their deliberations On Friday, a set of 15 decisions or proposals for the consideration of the grouping summit in July, people familiar with the matter said. Next. DRDO developed ULPGM will be cleared to enter production soon. The DRDO Adani collaboration in India has developed a highly advanced weapon system called the UAV Launched Precision Guided Missile, that is ULPGM, which operates as an air-to-surface weapon system capable of targeting both stationary and moving targets. The ULPGM system features 4 different variants to meet diverse requirements, and it can operate in complete autonomous mode. Thank you.